Want to start a side hustle in 2025? Here's how to earn extra money on the side without quitting your day job. Step 1. Assess your skills and interests. First, think about your skills, passions, and interests. What do you enjoy doing in your free time? Whether it's writing, design, or teaching, finding something you're good at and enjoy will make your side hustle more sustainable. Step 2. Choose the right side hustle now. Choose a side hustle that fits your schedule and goals. Some popular options are freelancing, creating digital products, starting an online store, or even becoming a content creator. Make sure it aligns with your skills and time commitments. Step 3. Set realistic goals. Set clear, achievable goals. Don't expect to make a full-time income overnight. Start small and set milestones for growth, whether it's landing your first client or making your first sale. Step 4. Time management. Next, manage your time wisely. Balance your side hustle with your main job or other responsibilities. Create a schedule that lets you dedicate a few hours a week to your hustle without burning out. Step 5. Scale your hustle. Once you start making progress, think about ways to scale. Automate tasks, outsource work, or increase your marketing efforts. The goal is to make your hustle more efficient so you can grow it over time. That's how to start a side hustle in 2025. Find what you're passionate about, set realistic goals, and manage your time. Hit subscribe for more tips on building your dream side hustle.